Welcome to our tutorial on how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. 1. Navigate to the folder or file you want to encrypt. 2. Right-click the item, click Properties, then click Advanced. 3. Check Encrypt Contents to secure data. Click OK, then click Apply. 4. Windows then asks if you want to encrypt only the file or its parent folder, and all the files within that as well. Opt for full folder encryption to be safe. 5. A pop-up window will offer you the option to back up the encryption key to ensure you never lose access to the file. If you don't wish to back up, click Never Back Up to complete the process. Otherwise, click Back Up Now, recommended, and follow the remaining steps. 6. Click Next and Next without changing anything. Make sure it matches the screenshot below. 7. Check the box next to password and enter the password you want to use to protect this encryption. Then click Next. 8. Set the location of the backup and click Save. Then click Next to see an overview of the export and Finish to complete the export. Now when you navigate to the encrypted folder, you'll see a small yellow lock on the file icon. New content added to that folder will automatically be encrypted as well. You have learned how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Thank you for watching our guide.